Because petitioner and since we know that the order impugned is not available, since it is stated, since it is stated that the order has not been uploaded by the High Court. Unless this petition after 2 weeks. In the meanwhile, if the copy is secured, the same be filed in the registry until the next date of hearing. The order dated 6/9/2023, which was subsisting before the High Court, to continue. Your obligement. Lordship, give your obligement. Secretary, may it please, Your Honor. I beg to appear for the petitioner. With the greatest respect, Mullah. Any other similar petitions? No. Mullah, in one matter, the other party, Mullah, who had applied for release was granted. SLP, the state came up in SLP was dismissed.
But actually, who are you in this proceeding? What are you?
I'm an industry, Mullah. I'm a manufacturing industry, Mullah. I'm identically placed to the other five whose lands have been released. And I put that in the form of a map. I specifically urged that point before the High Court. The High Court distinguishes it, Malords, on two grounds. One is, Malords, that in that case they had filed objections, which is not relevant at all to consider whether you should release an acquisition under 48 or not. Which is the factory premises existing there? Some factory premises. That's correct, Malords. United Oil Mills Machinery and Spares. Your Lordship, see, my factory has been in operation from 1968, Malords, page 35. So it is factory and Malords, it is appurtenant land. You said some.
Yes, sir.
Some photograph or something available to. Yes, you've got photographs, Malords. I've got a map. I've annexed the map, Malords, showing the entire thing. Yes. This is there's a detailed map, Malords, almost drawn to scale, which is at page 34. But it will be difficult to open, Malords. May I hand it over? If there is building which you. No, not this. Just to know the. There's a certificate, Malords, that type of building that is there. Yes, but there is a building and Malords, there is appurtenant land. But the building can't really function because we are making heavy machinery. Because what we see is notification of
what is your prayer in the petition?
Sorry, Malords.
What is your prayer in the petition?
My prayer is, Malords, that you have already released lands belonging to similarly.
But that is a matter to be considered by the authority.
That's correct, Malords. The authority has considered it, Malords, on totally wrong grounds.
But that's not your prayer.
No, Malords. No, before the High Court, Malords, I have categorically urged that. Please kindly see, Malords.
How is it that it should be considered by the High Court?
Yes, Malords. Kindly see, Malords.
Yes, please take us.
Yes, if your Lordship would be pleased to have, Malords, page 8.
Page 8.
Yeah, your Lordship wants to see the Google map, Malords. Justice Bopanna, I think, wanted to see it. No, we just wanted to see whether there is a building. Yes. 238. Page 238, your Lordship will get the Google map. Now, kindly see, Malords, how the High Court, Malords. Please see page 8, Malords. Yes. Learned see paragraph 10, Malords. Does your Lordship have that? Yes. Learned Senior Counsel for the petitioner has vehemently argued that when the respondent is concerned, had in respect
to have invoked 48B, then probably they would have passed an order. Now, before the High Court, you laid a challenge to appeal proceeding, number 1. Then you modified saying that you entered for belief into 24(2). On both grounds, you don't have a case. Now you are incidentally you are raising a plea saying that.
No, it's not incidental, Manoj. Before the High Court, Manoj, detailed affidavit was filed, written submissions were filed, urging the point under 48. It is filed, Manoj. 24-2, you may not. No, 24-2, Manoj, I am not pressing. Your Lordship is absolutely right, I am not pressing. I have not even raised that ground, Manoj, before your Lordship. So 24-2 is a misconceived ground which was taken. Kindly see page 8, Manoj. I have specifically given details with regard to 4 identical industries, Manoj, in this particular area, where they released on the ground that we don't want to hurt industries, because ultimately, Manoj, the acquisition was for the purposes of an industrial estate. We'll take notice and we'll find those. That's all. No anything. From 1992. Issue notice to the. It's at 136. Respondent. In the meanwhile, the status quo existing as on today to be made good. Yes, 34. Yeah, my lords, in the 482, there is almost a mini trial. Where I buy a machine, the machine is for one particular purpose. If the crucial parts are missing, and they say that
You already approached the consumer forum. What happened to that?
that is still pending, my lords. But they, my lords, when companies missell, companies are definitely deceitful, to say the least. My lords, there is both criminality as well as an action for damages. Buyer beware. Buy. Caveat emptor, my lords, is a principle. But even caveat emptor, my lords, if I buy a knife, I'm assumed it is assumed that it is a sharp one. Now, without an edge, said no, the edge is not. No, that depends on the purpose for what you buy. Yes, I'm a surgeon. Vegetables, it's a different. I'm a surgeon. I'm a surgeon. This is the basic laser machine, my lords. Sorry, not like this. Having 11 cents. Okay. We see no reason to indicate permission disposed of. S35.
My lord, 35 is 2 million lots coming out of the Kudus camp.
Notice.
You are not believing.
That is 7 of 2022. Okay.
Yes, I'm appearing in 36 years. Yes, it is a case where I was the bank manager. This pertains to allegations of year 1999 plus. I've been convicted for 2 years plus. You made a very detailed argument with submission. In fact, from para 43 to 53, you will see they've been on nothing has been considered much. Whereas the allegation, insofar as I am concerned, is matters that I have not verified the idea returns given by A1, A2, sale dates. This
What happened? You have been dismissed now.
I'm so sorry.
You have been dismissed now.
Plus, what happened? Inquiry was conducted as against me. Penalty of reduction based by 4 stages was passed as against me. Plus, the departmental inquiry came to a clear conclusion. There was no criminal.
Fine. Issue notice to the respondent. In the meanwhile.